Before jumping in, make sure to subscribe for regular nursery and plant updates, and don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and a comment below. Enjoy! Thuja green giant trees are the perfect choice for anyone looking for a luscious green privacy screen or just a large, beautiful ornamental tree. This is a fast-growing tree and will become absolutely massive in no time. They also have very few pest and disease issues and are deer resistant. Thujas need full sun to partial shade in order to truly thrive. Ideally, they should receive about 4 to 6 hours of sun per day. They prefer moist, fertile, well-draining soil, but be sure that the soil is not overly wet or soggy, as it could cause root rot. At maturity, a thuja can reach up to 40 feet tall and 20 feet wide. They can grow at a rate of 3 to 5 feet annually. As young trees, they do tend to grow faster during the spring and summer growing season. Use a slow-release fertilizer at the base of the root ball in the early spring. If you notice that the foliage is turning brown at any point, this may be due to a lack of watering. Be sure to thickly mulch around your newly planted thuja in order to retain moisture and protect the roots. Be sure to water the tree a few times a week while it's establishing a strong root system within the first year, especially during the warmer months. After the first year, thujas are quite drought tolerant. Start your privacy screen today. Get some thujas! As always, happy planting!